Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the language and learning applications. So you already know what is Caliber. So Caliber is a ebook manager. So you can manage your ebooks and read those. You can create a library of the ebooks using Caliber. Ebook editor is there. So you can basically use this to edit your ebooks. You can add, remove pages and all those kind of things you can do with the ebook editor. There it is. Next application is the ebook viewer. So it is a simple ebook viewer. You can use this to read the book. So this is the ebook viewer, and the other application at the background is the ebook editor. So both applications are available here with me. So this is a simple ebook reader or viewer, and this is the ebook editor. So what applications you can see here? You can do spelling checks. You can check the book for any errors, grammatical errors, or those kind of errors is there. There is a user manual. You can donate to the Caliber support. What is this? You can just check out. Yeah, so you can read a report on any ebook. You can insert special characters in the ebook. Many other things are available here. So you have to just read the manual. You can create a ebook out of the HTML pages also. So Caliber has an integrated ebook editor that can be used to edit books in the EPUB and the AZW, that is the Amazon Kindle formats. This editor shows you the HTML and CSS that is used internally inside the book files, with live preview that updates as you make changes. It also contains various automated tools to perform the ebook cleanup and the fixing tasks. So you can read in depth about the ebook reader here and different functionality. We will not go in too much detail, otherwise video will become very long. What is Gobi? Canagram we have seen. We will not go. K hangman is also, I'm not going to do that. We will just go with this Gobi, K letters, K word quiz and LRF viewer. Not many. All that has, it is a repeat. I am not going to repeat again. So welcome to Gobi. So it's simple. Everything you have to keep simple. So what is Gobi? So anything help file is there. Yes, so it is some kind of document. Select the document's target location. Okay, this computer. Okay. You can search for words, find and replace with the word you want to replace. So something like that is that. So it is some kind of document editor. There is no help file. I can find it here. So help file should be there, but it is not there. And you can export. Yes, so it is kind of word editor. You can change. You can use it to change the specific words. It can search through the documents. Then you can replace any specific word with word of your choice. You can export the word as a HTML. So it is a word editor. K hangman. Okay, so K hangman we are not going to touch. It is just some game. If you want, I am just, let us see what happens with the K hangman. And K letters also I am going to open. Letters. Let us open the K letters handbook.
M.
So K letters is an application specially designed to help the user learn alphabets in a new language and then learn to read simple syllables. The user can be a young child aged from 2.5 to an adult that wants to learn the basic of foreign language. So you can see 25 different languages are available: Arabian, Brazilian, Portuguese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, British English, US English, Phonics English, French, German, Hebrew, Hungarian, Italian, Kannada, Low Saxon, Malayalam, Norwegian, Bokmal, then Punjabi, Lugada, Romanized Hindi, Russian, Spanish, Slovak, Telugu, Ukrainian, but only English and French and your language if it is among those installed by default. So it is to learn how to use the alphabets and learn to read the simple syllables. So it is for the beginners learning new languages. You can use this, and for the kids. So I'm now going to close the K book. And what is K Hangman? So it is some kind of game, I think. Notes thing. So it is some kind of mathematical game you have to use. Nothing is given, I think. No help file, nothing is there. Is that okay? Is created by the KD organization. Yes, information is there. Classical hangman game. So it is some kind of game. And you can do some formulas and all those kind of things. Is this okay? So handbook is there. Yes, handbook is there. So let us check out what exactly is K Hangman. So K Hangman is a game based on well-known hangman game. It is aimed at children aged 6 and over. The game has several categories of words to play with them, among them animals, clothing, computers, currency, easy, and fruits. A word is picked at a random, letters are hidden, and you might guess the word by trying one of the letter after the another. Each time you guess a wrong letter, part of the picture of the hangman is drawn. You must guess the word before being hanged. So, nice game. You can have 10 tries. Okay. So, it is a game. Okay. Students can learn the different words, memorize the words in a, we can say, interactive and a fun way. A word quiz is also some kind of quiz only, word quiz. Yes, so we have checked this out. So it is to increase your vocabulary. I'm not going into detail. I think we have covered this both in Debian Edu or the School Linux and the Zorin OS Education. Just going to discard this. LRF Fever, okay, PDF. Next application was PDF modification. So this is nothing but you can modify your PDF documents using PDF mod. And Scribus, everybody knows it is a document editor. And ULCC, let us check this out. Or Ubuntu has experienced an internal error. So in Ubuntu, every now and then this error will creep up and you have to send it to Canonical. So teaching children by pictures. So let us select the dictionary, African animals, system language, okay. So your students have to identify the picture that is shown here. So for example, it is lion. I have to input the password. That is for the error that is being sent to Canonical, not related to this game. Now you have to click next. So what is this? You have to click here elephant. It's very simple. ULCC, let us see what is it. Okay, so this was the ULCC game. Then what was that game that we clicked earlier? Let me check again. Okay, PDF moderator, we didn't click this too. So last one, LRF viewer. So it did not open up. Yes, LRF viewer is not opening up. It is creating an internal error. So we cannot go ahead with that. Now let us check out if something else is pending. GBrainy, of course, and Gcompress, we have already done that. I am not going to check this out. So the complete LibreOffice suite is there. Marble application also we have done earlier. So I am not going to touch that. Then Image Magic also I have shown. Endeavor is nothing but a you can arrange your task, create task, and then you can complete the task and you can then delete those tasks. So it is your task manager. You can do the daily task here, and then you have to just follow the task and then complete those tasks. So it is your personal assistant. Startup application. So these all applications are there by default in any Ubuntu desktop. Like the software updater is there and all those kind of things are there. think with that, I will now stop the video here. We have completed the Edubuntu 23.04. We have checked out all the applications that are available for teaching the students of different levels from the preschool, primary, secondary, tertiary, up to tertiary level. And on that note, now we have completed the Debian Edu or the School Linux. We have completed Zorino's education ISO, and the third ISO was this Edubuntu 23.04. So you can compare all the three, check out which suits you, and you can also compare the different applications which are available in each of these education ISOs, and you can pick the best that suits your need. There will be some difference in the application packages, so you have to take your pick. Debian has maximum number of application packages. Zorin OS is little less on the, and Ubuntu has got lot many packages, so you can pick any one of them. So we have completed a very good series on education Linux distributions. So these are the specialized Linux distributions available for the education applications. Some other derivative Linux distributions will also have such kind of application in a special ISO. So later on we will check, because this review of such ISOs is not very popular, because we have got different kinds of viewers. The other viewers get bored when we show such reviews. So what I will do is, we will stop here only. We will not do any other education ISO reviews, at least for 1 year. Later on, maybe after 1.5 years, we will check out some more. But now we can go with the review of the regular Linux distributions meant for the general usage and some special usage. So there are many other Linux distributions for special use also, that we will check one by one. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.